Hi everybody, I'm a cat. My name is Lion. How are you today? Prr, prr, prr. Look at this great cat. It's the greatest cat ever. Oh, and that butt likes to be scratched. This is Rachel's aunts and uncles' cat, or cousins'. I don't know who owns things in this household. Everybody's dumbass cat. Who's Rachel's brother? Alright everybody, I caught up on the videos, but I don't have time to respond more now. We post these to YouTube.
Yeah, nice.
I don't need to explain myself to anyone though. So, alright, say goodbye, Lion. Okay. Nick will talk to you more later. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Oh, and butt again, and butt up, and butt up, and butt up, and done. And done.